Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrishti, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm doing this tutorial for the no makeup look. I know this makeup is going to be trending in 2021, and also every makeup enthusiast must know how to do this makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. The first step is prepping your skin. I'm applying a toner, and after that I'm going to apply moisturizer with a few drops of coconut oil. But instead of doing this step, you can either put on a hydrating serum or you can also use your primer. Next I'm going to do my eyebrows. So for that I use the Lakme eyebrow pencil. I don't really have a lot of shape in my eyebrows, so I'm just going to give it a little bit of shape. You can also go in for the eyebrow gel. I don't use it because I have very dense eyebrows and it looks very weird on me. So instead of doing this, you can also put on an eyebrow gel. The next step is my base. So for my base I'm going to be using the Fit Me concealer. I'll put it on my eyelids and under my eyes. What I want to do is hide the pigmentation, but I want a very natural look. If you have really dark circles, so you can go in with a color corrector before using a concealer. I'm using a beauty blender. What I do is I soak my beauty blender in water and then I squeeze all the water out. This works best for me and it helps me avoid my makeup looking very cakey. I'm setting my concealer with the Fit Me compact powder. I do this because I get a lot of crease lines if I don't do this step. So this is optional. For the next step, I'm going in with the same concealer over my acne scars and pigmentation. I won't be using a lot of it because I want a very natural look. I'm only using it on the areas I want to hide the pigmentation at. You need to remember that makeup can never really hide the texture of your skin. So don't stress over it and blend as much as you can to make it look very natural and blended. Next I'm going in with the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation to give a little depth to my face. So I'm going to be putting it under my eyes and I'll be spreading it till my nose just to give my face a little bit of a lift. Moving on with my eyes, I want a very natural look, so I'm going in for a really light brown shade, and along with that I'm going in for a very rustic red shade. I'm going to be sticking very close to my lash line, and also I'm going to apply a very thin layer of eyeshadow on my eyes. I don't want the eyeshadow to show up evidently, so I'm applying a very thin layer of it. I'll apply the rust color very close to my lash line. Moving on, I'm taking a very dark brown shade of eyeshadow and I'll be applying it on my lower lash line. This gives depth to my eyes and it makes them pop. Next, I'm using the Lakme eyebrow pencil on the insides of my lash line. This is a trick I learned. I'm using the eyebrow pencil because it smudges a lot less. I'm going to curl my lashes now. Next, I'm applying a thin coat of mascara on my eyelashes. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to apply a lip balm first, a lot of it, and over that I'm going to apply a neutral rose pink shade lipstick on the outer corners, and I'm gonna blend it in to give it a very natural look. Now to complete the look, I'm going into the same lipstick and I'm going to be using it as blush on my cheeks. Finally, I'm going to be setting up my makeup with the NYX Dewy Makeup Setting Spray. I love this one because it gives a glowing effect to my skin. This is the complete look. I love it because it's very effortless and it is very simple and makes you look very beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and I look forward for making more of these videos. Please like, share, comment down below what more videos you want to see, and also don't forget to press that bell icon to never miss a video from me. I'll be seeing you soon. Bye. K love.